Okay guys, so as I mentioned from the previous video, we're supposed to construct some fish pond here. So today the construction is taking place. As you can see, we have the machine on site. The gentleman down there from the fishery department to basically direct them how to do it. What we intend to do is to do like 2 different ponds, and obviously we have the plan put together with the Ghana Fishery Department. We went to the municipality there and they provided us with some guidelines. Fishery as a business venture is very lucrative in Ghana. So we're hoping to experiment a little bit on that and see how that goes. We have the extension of the farm. We're putting the roof on it. And then hopefully today we'll be able to get some work done, and I will show you the videos once the pond is all done with. This is going to be a very exciting day, and hopefully we can all learn from this video as well. So let's see how the day goes. So as you can see here, it's a little bit there's water on the ground already. If you can see from the type of grass that are grown here, it shows that there's some water. The water table here is very high. We didn't have to test it or anything like that, because we already could see that from the plants and the weeds that grows here, that there's water on the ground. And when the gentleman came, he basically confirmed that. So we didn't have to go to a lab or anything like that to test it, but because of the slope, there's you could see that the water table is very high. So what the gentleman is doing is going to the very place where we feel the water table is very high, so that we can get some water. As you can see, as soon as he drove in, we are in the Harmattan season, but as soon as he drove in, you can see that the water is coming out right there, you know. So a little digging. The water is the soil is very moist, but in Ghana right now we are in January and it's not a rain season, so you can see that this is a very good site to dig see, the water is very it's already coming up, so it's a good sign. Finishing up, dam number 1 is done. We try to do the 2 dams in one day, obviously, because the excavators They charge by the day, and they work 8 hours. But we realized we may have to do 2 days, so we basically finish the first dam on day 1. They will come back and do the dressing, and I'll take a video of that. But for now, it looks good. They're doing the second dam. I'll go and take a video of that.